All right, we are gonna smoke a chicken. Water.
Water in it.
I prefer the apple wood myself for chicken. In order to get the smoke to go, you crank it up in the beginning and then you turn it down to the desired temperature that you're looking for. But if you don't turn it up in the beginning pretty high, then it sometimes won't even start to smoke. I just do lemon, salt, and pepper. Shove the lemon kind of in the side there. And turn the knife a little bit on this side. Shove this lemon inside of that one. And then I'm gonna just pepper. Then we spatchcock. Let's take this out to the smoker. Right at 250 degrees, which is what I want to be smoking at. So it's all set. Before I open it up, I'm gonna make a little tray out of this foil. So that's my foil right on top there. Just like that. It's been a couple hours, let's check on it. Looks pretty good, so let's pull it out. Pulled it out right at 165. Pair this chicken with some awesome veggies. I'm happy.